Good afternoon everyone. In the last lecture of RF and micrometering, we have discussed about O-type tubes. In O-type tubes we have studied about klystron, TWT, reflectklystron, which is the oscillator. What was the basic of O-type tube is that we have electric field, and the electric field is of the electron beam, it is in perpendicular, and there is no sort of magnetic field which we are using. As we have seen earlier that the classification of TPO type tube, which O means original type or ordinary type, and M means magnetron type, these are called as the cross field devices. So what are the cross field devices? Magnetrons are M type device, where M derived from the French term TPOM, which means tubes for propagation with perpendicular magnetic field. Tubes which are used for the propagation which have the perpendicular magnetic field, hence these are also called as cross field devices. Cross fields because there is an electric field, and perpendicular to this there is a magnetic field in the electron beam that will change the electron trajectory. So if we classify the M-type tubes, which we have discussed, the total devices of M-type, magnetron type, working on any of the principle with the resonant cavities or non-resonant cavities or Messer effect, they are divided in three categories. Significant cavities, the device name is magnetron. If the operation includes the forward wave and backward wave, working on the principle of forward wave, the amplifier is called as an FWCFA. These are also called as CFDs, which is nothing but crossed field devices. Working on as a oscillator called as a forward wave cross field oscillator. Please.
Thank you.
So in this tree diagram or classification tree of this M-type tube, we can see that M-type tube, it means the magnetron type tube are the CFDs, cross field devices, where there is existing magnetic field which is perpendicular to the electric field. So how it differs? Actually what happened, how it was derived is, Hull, the name of scientist, Hull, this Hull has devised the first laboratory instrument working on the principle of magnetron. He has seen that by magnetic field we can change the trajectory of electrons. So this was utilized first time in 1921 by Hull, and later the same thing was implemented at the time of World War. There was the requirement of high power microwave, or we can say high microwave power. So the same device is implemented by the scientists Rendell and Booth for the first magnetron developed. Hence we can say the first magnetron developed practically or used in application was devised in 1940, and the mechanism was thought by the scientist Hull in 1921. The advantage of magnetron and types of magnetron we will discuss. Shall I remove this? The different type of magnetrons which are in use based on the principle types are cylindrical magnetron, coaxial magnetron, voltage tunable magnetron, inverted magnetron, forwarded cross field amplifier, FWCFA,